This is the progress tracker for USA Learn's first English course. Page 1 has an example, and the following pages are all 20 units of first English course. You can see that some units have 3 lessons and others have 5 lessons. Let's look at the example. So at the top, you have a daily goal to practice English. I will practice English on USA Learns for a certain number of minutes a day. For beginners, I suggest 10 to 20 minutes a day to start. This example is for the month of November. These are the weeks in November, Monday through Sunday. When you complete 15 minutes for the day, put an X or check mark or color the circle for the day. You also have a weekly goal. I will complete a certain number of units or lessons each week. For beginners, I recommend 1 unit, which will take about 1 to 2 hours a week. So here you can see Unit 1 has 3 lessons. And Unit 1 is for November 4th through November 10th. In the date column, write the date that you complete the activity or the lesson, and here is where you write the score. I hope this progress tracker will help you see your progress in First English course.